Hello, I'm Hannah and welcome to Beauty4Less. This is the professional hairdryer. It's stylish, elegant and very practical. Fully adjustable in 3 places: the height, the rotation and the tilt. The visor can be lifted up as well, so your clients can get in and out of the hairdryer very easily. There are 2 controls at the top, one for the temperature and one for the timer. And the hairdryer is on wheels, so it's easy to move around. As you can see, this professional hairdryer would be perfect for any salon, and it's brought to you by Beauty4Less.